Welcome to a tasting video. A tasting video where you get to watch me taste beer. It's always so exciting. Munich Dunkel tasting. I know you're excited. I know you've been waiting for it. For those who have not been watching the channel, I brewed this December 30th, 2017. Today is March 24th, 2018. Recipe, Munich 10, 50%, German Pilsner, Kerry Munich, Melanoidin, chocolate malt, mashing at 152 degrees Fahrenheit, Hollow Tower and Spalt. For the hops, yeast 2206. I fermented it cold around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Distillate rest was about 6 days later, rose at 62 degrees Fahrenheit, held it there for 4 or 5 days, transferred to a secondary, lagered it for 5 weeks, looks like. Bottled it 3/3/18. Let it then cold condition after bottle conditioned for another 2 weeks. Here we are. I have had this. It's rare. Usually I wait till the video to taste this. I'll try an extra surprise though. I swear to clean this glass out a second ago. I washed it several times, fearing that it would be dirty. And it's still dirty. Don't worry about it though, seriously. It's a little bit of specks of stuff on here. Aside from the little bit of, dirty glassware, pretty good color. I think it's pretty spot on. There's a nice little reddish hue to it in the light too. I don't know if you guys can see that here. But nice dark color, well carbonated. I did carbonate this with a little bit of champagne yeast, 2.5 grams to be exact, in 2 grams of water. Because if you lager something for a while, the yeast can be a little bit dead. I have a hard time bottle conditioning, so I did that. This is the second bottle I've opened, and it's been carbonated. So, good sign. So, the nose off the bat, nice toffee, caramel, more toffee, chocolate, a little bit of roast. Very clean though, very, very clean, no diacetyl, no anything else, no other off flavors. Just very nice chocolatey, toffee sort of nose going on it. Taste on it's lovely, very smooth, kind of rich, but in a good way. Like it's not like stouty. It's more dry than a stout, I'd say. Nice clean finish. IBUs are perfect on it. Very, very lovely. Getting that chocolatey, very sort of subtle chocolate sort of toffee thing going on in the taste as well. Very easy drinking. Good full body on it. This is one of the best lagers I made, I think. And one of the best beers in a while. I might even try and submit this to a competition. I keep saying I'm going to do that, but I haven't yet. But I see some coming up, aside from HomebrewCon, which I missed the window on that. But there is some stuff coming up I've seen looking around in California. I might try it and just to get at least feedback. I'll be very curious to see, because I think this is great. It tastes like a commercial level, honestly. It doesn't have that homebrew twang to it. Very malt forward driven, crushable. It's fairly hot today. Well, not fairly. It's like mid-70s. And it's, I could totally drink this. I could drink this by pool and be like, yeah, this is really nice still. And that's a great recipe. Highly recommend someone try this. If anyone's looking for a Munich Dunkel recipe, I think this is killer. So yeah, great turnout. Very happy. Stay tuned for more videos. They're still coming at you right now. Really coming at you. So I'm happy I can keep that going. I wasn't sure if I could, but I am, and I'm happy about it. So stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you next time.